Hi everyone, I am back from Spain. Thank you for everyone who was asking me questions, commenting on photos on Instagram. I had a blast. If you guys didn't see any photos or anything, I will leave my Instagram down below. I made a highlight reel of my trip. I think I'm going to make a vlog too. I took a lot of video the first day especially, but then I realized my phone's dying super fast these days, especially out of the country, so I took mostly photos. So I was thinking maybe I could do like a vlog, kind of like talking with photos in the corner or taking up the screen. If you guys think that would be interesting and you want to hear more about my amazing trip, please let me know. If not, that's fine. We can just keep it all boxes here, and I'd probably put the vlog on my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box, which I will also leave down below. But I missed you guys. So I came back to a decent amount of boxes. So today I'm going to be opening up my paid Ipsy bags for October, and then the next video will be on Monday, and it'll be a mega unboxing. I think I have a decent amount of beauty boxes, and I have a new box I'm going to open on Tuesday I'm really excited about. So I am really excited to be home and back in the swing of things. Well, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things, and like I said, I missed you guys. Halloween is this weekend. Are you guys dressing up? I decided right before filming that I want to have a little giveaway centered around Halloween costumes, so stay tuned. For the end of this video, I will let you know how to enter that. I already opened my Ipsy PR bags for October earlier this month, so if you guys want to see what I got in that video, I can link that down below. But yeah, like I said, today are the two bags, the regular Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 bag, and then the Ipsy Plus, which is $25, paid for both of these. So let's start out with the smaller bag, the $12 bag. So this is what it looks like, super cute. I already explained this in the other video, how much I love it, this lipstick, everything about it. So I had two things come outside the bag, and I must have added on, you know, in the point room, one of these items. I think it might be this. So let's start with this. I could be wrong. Maybe it's the other item, I don't know, but usually you get 5 items in Ipsy Plus, at least $50 in value. Totally worth it. My most recommended beauty subscription, because $12 you get a mixture of deluxe and full-size items. I'll leave the link to Ipsy down below, so referral link. Anyone who has Ipsy gets this, and when you sign up using my link, I get points to redeem, which I think I did for this, so thank you in advance, and thank you to anyone who's used my link in the past. This is by Rowan, and this is their Cake Lash, or Cake Lash mascara. So I'm pretty sure I used points for this. I'm not going to open it right now. It's in black. I've been trying out new mascaras because I ran out of my Thrive, and so that's probably why I got that one, because I'm running out of mascaras because I usually give them all away. But the other item that came outside of this bag is a Farrah brush. I love getting brushes because I'm a lazy bitch. I never clean my brushes, so I welcome new ones, but I need to get better about that. That should be like on my, I was going to say New Year's resolution list. That would be a pretty lame one, but I mean productive one, but that's gonna be here before we know it, but not yet. Farrah short shading brush 450. So, yep, happy to get that. So now let's open it. And by the way, the print is the same on the Plus. It's just the drawstring bag. And of course, the theme is like spooky, pretty wicked. So, we got some lipstick. I forgot I was going to try this, but I tried the lip product in the other bag. So this is by Lottie London Slay All Day Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is a mini. Sorry if the lighting's not the best. I film with just natural light typically, unless I'm filming later. And I have these lights right above me, but 2 of them are out now. Before there was 1 out. But Adam just texted me a photo. He was at Home Depot and I asked him if he could fix them up. So perfect timing. We're like aligned there, so he just got some more lights. So next video hopefully will be more well lit. But this looks like it is a shade I would love. I just did my nails, so I don't know if I could open this. I'm just not going to, because maybe I'll go to one video too, because I've got enough stuff. But next up, this looks like a full-size product, especially because it says eye cream. This is by Sur Medic. I don't think I know this brand. Perfection 100 All-in-One Facial Eye Cream made with 15 peptides. So, I recently noticed some more eye wrinkles. Maybe it was just like dry skin from flying so much recently. But yeah, I'm going to start using eye cream more regularly. I got this in my PR bag, and I really like it. I used an entire container on my trip to Spain. I brought up all my like sample size things from boxes. It was perfect. Lasted the perfect amount of time. This is by Tatcha, and it's a dewy skin cream. And this does leave your skin looking very dewy. It's very moisturizing. I love it. It's even so cute. Bougie brand. And I also got this in my PR bag, and I have it in my shower now, and I really like it. And I'm gonna keep using this one because it's a really gentle body scrub. It's a detoxifying charcoal body scrub. So it not only exfoliates your skin, but it seems to moisturize it a little bit as well. So I'm all about it. It's the Theory Body, I think I erased the name, the detoxifying charcoal body scrub. So that was everything. I think that was pretty dang good for a $12 bag. Does it actually say the products in here? Oh, so I can know. So I did, duh. Have I not unbagged and unboxed Ipsy before? It has the items in here for the regular glam bag, but not the Ipsy Plus. And that is because the Ipsy Plus, I believe, because you customize 3 out of the 5 items. In this box, you get to pick 1 item, which I don't remember what I picked. It doesn't say. Sometimes it'll say like your choice. Maybe I didn't pick. So this Rowan mascara was definitely an add-on. So let's move on to the $25 bag. So like I already said, you get to customize this one more than the others. It's a big perk. You can also have it just be a surprise, of course, if you don't go in, log in. Usually it's around the 23rd where you customize your bag. So I probably missed it when I was in Spain. But one item here, I wasn't going to use this because I was like, I have enough eyeshadow palettes. I'm like kind of like in a mood where I just want to be more of a minimalist, but like I'll never be with like subscription boxes and stuff like that. But like, I don't know. I like to I've been really feeling like giving back to, but this is by Hip Dye. Never really tried any of their products before. It's really pretty packaging, and it's called Witchy Warms, and I'm a witchy bitch. Sorry, I'm swearing a lot today, but I don't care. And I need it, and I like it. But isn't this cute? So it's the Witchy Warms Pressed Pigment and Glitter Palette, and there is a mirror, which is nice. I used it, and so it's a pretty neutral palette, but I love the shade names. I loved how they performed. I love this kind of look. It's good for daytime because I do my makeup early. So like with, I want to say, I guess jet lag, but Spain is 6 hours ahead. So I like am still going on that schedule, and I kind of like it. Like I went to bed at like 8 p.m. last night. I woke up at like 4 something this morning. So I've been up for a while because right now it is 3 p.m. Brushes, super excited about these. These are different type of brushes. I didn't use all of them. This is by Lovecraft Beauty, and I like getting different brushes, but I have to figure out how to use some of them. But what I like most about them is how freaking cute are these. They're pointed at the edge, and they have their logo all over it. Kind of gives me a Kate Spade feel. But yes, I use this one right here, this smaller blender brush, to like put color in the crease area and blend it out a little bit. There's like, I think they probably call this a concealer brush. I just put like I set my eye primer with that, with like the white shade in that, or like off-white shade. And this is probably for eyeliner, a little detail brush, and another detail brush, or like eyeliner brush. So I guess they're not like that different, but they're not like the typical eye sets where you get like 4, or like a packing brush, blending brush, like another blending brush size, you know what I mean? So that's cool, and I'm happy to have them. I'm gonna put them over here in my clean jar of brushes. I just pulled out a new one. And then next up, this I wanted to try, but I have just received recently some bronze eyeliners, so I'm gonna give this one away, or put it on my Mercari or something. This is by Sugar Rush, a Tarte brand, and it's easy on the eyes, clay liner, and bronze. So I use a different bronze liner with that eyeshadow palette, just a little bit. Like, I don't have that much makeup on. I still have like a little tiredness look to me, but I'm feeling good. I'm happy to be back, like I said. I'm totally probably rambling off my game because I haven't filmed in a while. But next up, I got this lip gloss in my PR bag, so I put that on today over a lip liner, but this is by Rinna Beauty Guilty Pleasure lip gloss in, okay, the shade's Guilty Pleasure. I just said I was off my game, like, there I go. So let me show you the one I have. So, very pretty color, comfortable. It does provide some color, not sticky. Very pretty, everyday type of color. In my opinion, I could wear this every day. And then, I remember selecting this, I believe, because I'm into fragrance, and I feel like we don't really get fragrance a lot in boxes. Like, we get a lot, like, you know, if you're like me, you get a lot of boxes and stuff, we get a lot of stuff. And a lot of it kind of like can be duplicates in a way, like different brands, whatever, but we don't get a lot of perfume. But I know like a lot of people have different preferences, but we all have different preferences with all beauty products, right? So I was excited. This is by Tokyo Milk, and this is French Kiss. And it says number 15 on there. I guess maybe they have a whole line of them. And the notes are mandarin, tuberose, gardenia, and vetiver. And I did spray this on earlier. I'll spray some more on now. And it's not like my all-time favorite type of scent. What's that fast? It's crushed and distilled. Like, I'm usually more into fruit. I don't know what I'm into, to be honest. I'm not good with notes. But it reminds me of something. But yeah, it's not my typical scent. But look, isn't that cute? You can see the Eiffel Tower in there. I was thinking about where I want to go. I think my family and I are going to go to, well, we have to go back to Barcelona in 2023 because that we originally planned the trip to go see Elton John there for my mom's 60th, but he postponed until May 23rd, 2023. So we're going to go back, and I think we're also going to go to Italy. And then we're like, where else if we could? Like, I don't know. We're just hypothetically speaking. Who knows? I was like, maybe France would be cool for a good thing. So let me know what your thoughts are. And let me know what you think of my bag. Not like my all-time favorite, you know, but like I'm still happy with it. Yeah, let me know. Are you guys happy with your Ipsy bag or bag twins? It's kind of hard now to be like exact twins because we customize it so much. But I am curious because like they do have a decent amount of selection. So I bet a lot of us are different, but that'd be cool if we were twins. So anyways, sorry. I'm kind of sorry that I am off my game today. I'm always kind of rambly, but that's how I am. But I like wanted to talk to you guys because we're friends about my trip and everything like that. But I know I should save it for the vlog. But okay, so I was thinking I could do a little giveaway for whoever answers this right, at least like the first person or two. What do you think I'm going to be for Halloween? And people like the OGs, like you guys know, like my likes and interests and stuff like that. But what is one thing I love? And Adam actually picked out this outfit. He's having a party at his place on Saturday. And I just got back, you know, it was like very short notice, like to get, or not short notice, but like I wasn't prepared. I didn't know they were having a party. And I'm like, we need to get costumes. And he saw something at the party store, so he got it for us. So we're like doing a couple costumes. And like we're two things that go well together. And one thing is like one of my favorite things. One of you actually sent me some for my birthday. I don't know if you guys need more clues, I'll leave it down below. But guess, what do you think I'm being for Halloween? And also let me know what you're being for Halloween. So maybe I'll pick like one winner for who guesses right first, and then like in a few days I'll just like randomly select a winner too. So I'll pick one myself and pick one like through the like random comment generator, so it's fair for all comments. So let me know. Even let me know if you're not being anything. What are your kids being? What do you think about Halloween? Any plans? Are they like still doing that like truck or treat thing, like because the whole, you know, COVID and everything? Yeah, let me know. Just leave something down below. I missed you guys. I want to talk to you guys. And yeah, I'll probably save it open in a few days. Sorry, I know some people like really official things, but I'll leave it down below. And yeah, like I said, I'm really excited to be back in the groove of things. I miss you guys. I love you, and I hope you're well. Let me know how you're doing, and I will see you super soon. Bye guys. Have a safe and happy weekend.